All right. Hello, morning, Rakesh. How are you, bro?
Hi, good morning. I'm feeling well. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also feeling very well today, and I'm very happy today. So, Mr. Rakesh, so today topic is old movie versus new movie, which is a powerful and
Okay.
which movie provide a lot of knowledge and which movie affect to the our society more. Okay, so we will discuss about that. So,
Okay, then you can start.
okay, thank you, Mr. Rakesh. Yeah, so if I talk about old movie versus new movie, so in the new movie, in the old movie, there are a lot of things which describe to the religious and you know about to the country, like how did you get the how did you fight to the any country and got the our legacy. So if I talk about the old movie, okay, in there are very good characters, okay, and it was the to the technology, it was the not affectable, but you know it was the very good character, and there are very good story in the old movie, but in the new movie there are use of the technology, okay, but there are very, it's not affect a story, okay, only love a story or any small story which is a very, it's not affect to the our society, but in earlier movie there are very good movie, like I saw the movie Kismat of the Bobby Deval, and one one was the one of the Parsi, it was the Mithun Chakravarti. So it was a very amazing movie, bro. Okay, and Indian, and also I watch lot of the soldier movie. Okay, of the of the Sunny Deol. So it is a very amazing movie, and it was a very good character in this movie, and I watch the old movie. Okay, and in these days, if I talk about the new movie, in the new movie there are a lot of the technology, and there are very false story in this movie, okay, and there are very, in these days we are getting the some science uh, and in the movie, and we are learning something, and according to our generation, but if I talk about the old movie, so there are very, regional movie, and it was the very religious movie, and we learn a lot of things which was happening in that time, and we can, how did you survive to the people in that times. So in this movie we can watch, and we can thought how the peoples lived before, okay, and in this movie there are very only connect to the people's love story, or action movie, and because in a lot of people's watch to the action movie and love a story, because it is a part of the life, okay, so that's why people also want to some romantic movie, okay, so in these days this kind of the movie are produced, and it is also very good things, because the movie generate a lot of the resource to the people, and they were lot of the peoples get the job to the movie, because I think if you create one movie, then it will be take almost 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, according to the movie character. And in this movie, and with South Indian movie is very important in these days, and it is a very effective South Indian movie, and most of the people like to watch the South Indian movie, because in this movie there are very good characters, and they are showing the real things which is happen in our society and our country. And so yeah, both are a very good movie, and new movies also is a good. And if I talk about the new movie like Kabir Singh and or any other movie, but I don't watch the movie more. Okay, and so thank you, Mr. Rakesh. You can start.
Okay, thank you so much for explaining all the things in an interesting way. So I
Okay.
was thinking that why we are discussing this topic, old movies and new movies. As you explained that in old movies were different thing, and in new movies something has changed, because you can say the revolution has come in the industry. We can say that in old films or in old movies, when I was watching movies or when I was child, so on that time in my childhood, I used to watch a lot of movies. Like most of interesting and most of learning thing, we can say the old movie which I used to watch was that horror movie. If you have watched this, the movie name was Band Darwaja,
Okay.
and like Purani, like this type of horror movies I used to watch. And whenever, because of my childhood, whenever I close my eyes and because of these type of horror dreams, I felt I felt very fear on that time. So we can say that in the previous or in the old movies there were few certain stories and written by the writer, like there will be a hero, heroine and a villain, there will be a ghost, there will be a lover, like a Heer Ranjha, Romeo Juliet, these type of things. But if we think about or if we talk about the modern or new movies, then you can see that in these movies there is no need of any villain. Like if you have watched the movie Ek Villain, in this movie there is not any villain, we can say, but because of his wife or because of the thinking of that person, he murdered a person's wife. That was the hero. And second one is that as you know that the old heroes used to take classes from and they also completed graduation or any degree from the drama schools, and it can be situated in the Mumbai, Delhi. Okay. There is a certain stream. If you want to go in this line, so then you need to choose drama as a subject in your graduation. So on that time they had completed the graduation in drama. They have taken a lot of classes. Because of that, you can see the real acting, the real drama. You can see the in old heroes as compared to these. Because when you watch any interview of any hero, so whenever the actor describes, so old hero will also always explain that I used to take classes on I take from the drama classes. I do a lot of things, blah blah blah. Okay, but if we think about, if we try to interact with a new modern actress or actor, then I don't know that there will be a new thing to learn from them. But we can say that if we talk about the hygiene, as you know that in the previous films or movies, the heroes did not use to clear each chest. Okay. You can see that a lot of hairs on the chest and the arms. So on that time they were not aware about hygiene. Okay, but in these days the real heroes, or we can say the not real but the modern heroes, are maintaining their hygiene. They are looking out for their body. They are working on their muscles. Okay, and I don't know that what are they eating to maintain their physical wealth, but we can say that the old heroes is a result of doing hard work, and we can say that new heroes has come in this industry because of nepotism. Because my dad has worked in this industry and I took birth in this family. Because of that, I am doing this. So we can say that, see, the most learning or the most important movie was for me Three Idiots. Because of that, I have learned a lot of things. Okay, but I also watched a lot of old movies. But this is the only movie from which I motivated. I learned a lot of things. Like All Is Well. Whenever you feel
Okay.
fear, whenever you want to take decision and you think that if I take this decision, everything will vanish. What will I do? How it will work? And what will people think about it? Our family is also family middle class. Whenever I start my business, so that time I will face a lot of trouble. I will face my financially struggle. I have to do a lot of things. But Amir Khan has told all is well. Say all is well and do not think about how it will work. Just continue your work. You will grab all the things. You will get all the things. So for me, we can say that these modern or the new movies has come with a revolution, with a learning lesson. And from previous movies, we can learn that because of hard work, you can get a lot of things. Because of hard work, the result or the final product will be a very priceless. There is no need to evaluate it because of the money, after completing or after giving a 1 year or 2 year to your business, to your work, to your industry, you will become financially independent. After that, the people will not look out from your money. They will always listen your words, what type of words you are using to demonstrating or describing your things in front of anyone. So for me, we can say that both old and the new movie have given a right decision or the right choice to everyone to do the things. They can also take the industry as a career line. So I can say that the movies have learned a lot of things towards society. So thank you so much.
Okay, welcome you Rakesh, and you explained very well this topic, and I hope this topic would be very interesting, and
Yes.
because lot of people like to watch the movie, so that's why we are creating this video and enjoying also, because we need the entertainment in our life, right? Yeah, so thank you Mr.
Right.
Thank you Mr. Rakesh to joining this conversation. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Yeah, welcome you.